inviting yung vibes, tahimik, malinis, at halos lahat ng spot ay Instagram at selfie-worthy. This is the villa and choice mo kung i-avail mo ang 1 room or 2 rooms. Ang nice and cozy ng living room, syempre meron niyang kasamang smart TV. Ito naman ang dining and kitchen area at meron ding refrigerator na pwedeng gamitin. This is the San Pablo or room 1 with 2 double-sized beds, air-conditioned, and with own toilet and bath. May water heater din for hot or cold shower. Marcelo naman for room 2. Syempre air-conditioned, may 2 double-deck beds tapos meron pang 2 extra mattresses. Same sa kabila, may own toilet and bath din. May shower area malapit sa pool at marami pang restrooms available kaya naman no problem kung big groups kayo dahil marami namang pwedeng gamitin. Pwede magluto, provided din nila ang drinking water at isang cooler ng ice. Plus points nga din yung sobrang daming electric fan na meron sila.